I am rich, abundant in every facet of my life, and I welcome prosperity with open arms. I am a magnet for wealth and success, and money flows to me effortlessly from multiple sources. My financial situation improves with each passing day, as opportunities for wealth expansion appear naturally and consistently. I attract lucrative ventures and partnerships that align perfectly with my skills and passions. I handle money with wisdom and care, knowing that I am fully capable of managing abundance responsibly. My bank accounts grow, my investments flourish, and I create long-term wealth that sustains me and those around me. I live in a constant state of financial freedom, enjoying all the luxuries and comforts I desire, while being able to give generously to others. My prosperity is a reflection of my inner abundance, and I know that the universe supports me in manifesting greater wealth in ways that benefit both me and the world. I am truly grateful for the endless flow of money into my life, knowing that I deserve all the riches the universe has to offer. I am healthy, vibrant, and full of life. My body is a perfect reflection of strength, vitality, and balance. I am grateful for the incredible health that fills me every day, as my body thrives in harmony and well-being. I take care of myself by eating nutritious foods, exercising regularly, and getting the rest I need to maintain optimal health. Every cell in my body functions perfectly, regenerating and repairing itself, allowing me to live life with energy and joy. My immune system is strong, protecting me from illness, and my mind is clear and focused. I honor my body and its needs, treating it with respect and love, knowing that it is the vehicle through which I experience life. My health radiates from within, and I attract positive energy that strengthens me. Every day I become stronger, healthier, and more aligned with the natural flow of life. I am so thankful for the gift of health, and I commit to making choices that support my well-being, allowing me to live a long, happy, and fulfilled life. I am wise, filled with deep insight and understanding that guide me through all of life's challenges and opportunities. My intuition is strong. I trust the guidance it provides, knowing that it leads me toward my highest good. I make decisions with clarity and confidence, always choosing what is best for me and those around me. My wisdom grows each day as I learn from my experiences, constantly evolving into a better version of myself. I am open to learning from every situation, every challenge, and every success, knowing that each moment holds a lesson for me. I embrace personal growth, understanding that wisdom comes not just from intellect but from living fully, loving deeply, and embracing every opportunity for transformation. I am constantly expanding my mind, absorbing new ideas and integrating them into my life in ways that serve my purpose and elevate my consciousness. I have an inner calm that allows me to approach life with patience and understanding. When faced with difficulties, I remain centered and grounded, confident in my ability to find solutions. My inner wisdom provides me with the clarity to see beyond temporary challenges and focus on long-term success. I trust the process of life, knowing that everything unfolds in perfect timing. As I grow wiser, I attract more opportunities for success, fulfillment, and abundance. People are drawn to my calm and wise nature, and I am able to inspire and uplift those around me. I am a source of guidance, compassion, and strength for others, as my wisdom flows effortlessly into every aspect of my life. The universe is my constant guide and companion on this journey. I am rich in wealth, rich in health, and rich in wisdom. Every day I align more deeply with the energy of abundance, the flow of well-being, and the source of knowledge that resides within me. I trust in my ability to manifest anything I desire, because I am connected to the infinite power of the universe. As I embrace my own inner richness, I see the world around me transforming in beautiful ways. My financial prosperity grows, my health flourishes, and my wisdom deepens, creating a life filled with joy, success, and fulfillment. I am deeply grateful for all that I have, all that I am, and all that I am becoming. With each breath I take, I affirm, I am rich, I am healthy, I am wise. These truths resonate within me and they shape my reality. I am worthy of abundance in all forms, and I allow myself to receive the gifts of the universe with gratitude and grace. My life is a reflection of my inner beliefs, and I choose to believe in my unlimited potential.